Germany is reportedly set to hold closed-door discussions on the reliability of US-made weapon systems amid concerns over an alleged remote kill switch in some combat aircraft. Defense Minister Boris Pistorius will meet with military and defense procurement officials at an undisclosed date and location to reassess the U.S. arms that Berlin has already ordered or is currently operating, according to a report by the New Voice of Ukraine. Concerns about Washington's ability to remotely disable fighter jets emerged after President Donald Trump declared a halt to military assistance for Kyiv. The issue has also raised alarms among defense analysts, who are urging Canada to reconsider its purchase of 88 F-35 jets due to concerns over the degree of control the U.S. will have over future aircraft upgrades. According to experts, the risks related to the supply of necessary spare parts make the F-35 a potential vulnerability for non-U.S. operators. The problem with the F-35 is more about data transmission and spare parts supply, he noted. Without these, the F-35 could lose much of its functionality. If access is cut off, that's a major problem. Earlier this month, Airbus Defence and Space CEO Michael Schöllhorn urged European nations, including Germany, to reduce their reliance on US-made defense systems. Berlin has placed an order for dozens of F-35 jets from the US, with deliveries scheduled to begin in 2026. Schöllhorn stressed the need for closer collaboration among European defense industries instead of competing individually. We need not only an increase in defense spending at the national level but also a coordinated approach among key European countries, he explained. If we continue to buy off-the-shelf products from the US with this higher defense spending, we are cementing our dependence on others. The Pentagon has already dismissed rumors of a kill switch in exported fighter jets, clarifying that no such remote mechanism exists.